Okay, so this is one of the suites. Really, really comfortable beds. It's okay. Room number 2.
Room number 4.
So this is a queen bedded room. So we have 2 rooms that have 2 beds in them.
Yeah.
One with 2 queens, one with a single and a queen.
Yeah.
And the rest all have...
It's a twin plus a queen.
Right.
Yeah.
And then the rest all have...
And we have another with 1 king size bed and another with 1 king size bed.
So a total of how many rooms with...
8 rooms.
But how many are with 2 beds?
On 2 rooms with 2 beds.
Okay.
If you need 1 king bed.
And then this is the king bed. This is room number 2.